You never guess what I just seen outside the fast food place. 4 immigration officers carrying off some delivery driver. Oh no, what a terrible start to the day for someone.
I wasn't expecting that from you, Amy.
Why not? I've got a heart. I do have empathy, Andrew. Some poor git is waiting in for their Egg McMuffin, and it's never going to come. I hope they're not hungover. Why do you think they arrested him, Andrew?
I suspect probably he didn't have the right to work in the UK.
Well, thank God we don't have to worry about that here.
Because you conduct thorough right to work checks?
No, I don't bother with that. I know everyone here's got the right to work. Look at him. You can tell.
You'd be surprised, actually, Amy. There's plenty of examples where employers think their staff have a right to work in the UK when actually they don't.
Right? Well, what's the worst that can happen?
The worst thing that can happen is potentially criminal penalties, including jail time.
What? I can't go to jail. Not with this face. Right, everyone. Tomorrow, bring in your IDs. I want to see your right to work. John, this is your birth certificate, but I didn't know you were from the USA. That's right, Amy. My parents brought me here in 76. Never left. Right. Well, can you provide me with your ID document that show me that you have a right to work here? A British passport, maybe? I have no passport and no driving licence. I live off grade, Amy. That way, they can't get you. Oh my God, I'm going to prison, aren't I? Before I do, can I sack old Yankee Doodle over there? Isn't illegality one of the fair reasons for dismissal?
Yeah, but only if John hasn't actually got the right to work in the UK. If he does and you're wrong and you sack him, you could be on the wrong end of a tribunal. You could get away with some other substantial reason dismissal, but again, you'd have to follow a full process.
Oh my God. Aye, and I could claim discrimination on the grounds of my immigration status.
No, you couldn't, because immigration status isn't a protected characteristic under the Equality Act.
Oh.
I thought we may be able to get it in as a race discrimination.
Oh.